Hi guys, we're at Thorpe Park today for our first Fright Nights construction update. Let's see what we have here. First of all, we've obviously got the Creekwood Sawmill, as I'm sure you've seen on a lot of YouTube channels. Creekwood Sawmill. And we've actually got the sign for, they've released today the maze name and what happened. They've also released a little teaser trailer for the maze. If you look on to Thorpe Park official Facebook, it's called We've obviously got the stuff around here. We've got some that's to rip out of the log of leap stuff. Can't really see much. Obviously not much going on in there, but this is the cool bit. If you go over to, where is it? It's here. If you go over to here, you can see there is a body bag hanging. Is it? Try and focus into it. Hopefully you can see that. I'll recheck the footage in a minute. You can't see it, but and there's lots of stuff going on in here. So it's looking really good. There's a body bag, guy in a straight jacket up there, and the best bit is if you come around here, you can see that they've got obviously Fright Nights was showing the second dates. They've got the exit for platform 15. So that's the little room that you stand in on the way out. So it's a bit loud. Samurai's going. We're going to head on Samurai in a minute to check out. What they've also got, if you can see, is they've put signs: actor left, actor back, actor left on, and they've got all the actors. If you can try and see that, actor left. They've got lots of stuff about that, and they've boarded up the side of Creekwood Sawmill, and they've also try and get this a bit better. They've put mats. But like, you know the mats that you fall on when you're climbing or something? Like the mats, if you... I don't know what I'm saying, but I think, my speculation is that they're going to throw you onto those mats. The mats from the inside are going to be thrown onto the mats. Basically bashed onto the wall. From what I see on the update video, there's also... obviously you've seen the body bag, and they've also got, if you look over here, you can see the mats. I can't quite see what you're seeing.